we are looking at the following question. Question 3, find the following integral. And we have the first one. The first one is, we can say, let's call it I equals the integral of what? S squared exponential to minus x dx. In this case now, the differentiable function is just, let's make it u, is this. And then the u, the x is what? Is 2x. And then the v dx is this function exponential to power minus x. So if you differentiate this, your v is going to be what? It's going to be exponential and then times what? And this. How did I get it? Now, if you do this one, this will give you the v over what? Exponential to power minus x, then the x. Then you integrate both sides. So that's what we have now. So let's now plug in uv, so which is what? X squared times this one, so which will be exponential minus to power minus x, and the minus here will be here. Then minus v, integral of v, which is what? Minus this, times the u dx is what? Is 2x, then dx. So we now have I equal to this minus x squared exponential to minus x, minus times minus, that's plus, okay? Then we have integral of what? Integral of exponential minus x times what? 2x dx. So what we're going to do now is to differentiate this one again, because this is a product of two items. Don't forget this line. Yeah, you plug in whatever you get here to this equation. Okay? So integral of this 2x exponential to minus x dx. So my u is what? 2x. Then the u dx, the u dx is equal to what? Is equal to 2. Then the v dx is this. So v will give me what? Minus exponential to minus what? Minus x. Then we now have you can now go back to that equation, which I call this place, which I call star, equation star. Then begin to plug in what you have. We have this s squared exponential minus x, then plus, open your bracket now, plug in again the value for integration by parts. So uv, my u is what? My u is 2x. My v is what? Exponential or minus x. Don't forget the minus there. So minus integral of v, my v is what? Exponential to power minus is my v times my du dx is what? Is 2. Then the what? Dx. Then close the brackets. Then plus what? Plus c. So we now have I will now be equal to this. Begin to open the bracket now. Plus times minus, that's minus 2x exponential to power minus x. Okay? Then minus times minus, that's what? That's a plus. Okay? Then this is just a constant. So you're going to have it as your answer. Then you integrate exponential to minus what? To power minus x, which is what? Which will be this. And then divided by what? Minus what? Minus 1 plus what? Plus c. So the final conclusion will be equal to what? This one minus this. Then plus over minus, that's minus 2 times exponential to power minus x plus c. So that finished that question. Then we go to c parts. Let's call it I equal to integral of this. So the differentiable function will be u equal to what? 12x squared. So the u, the x is what? Is 24x. Then the v dx is equal to what? Sine 2x. And then v, if you integrate this respect to x, you get v equal to what? Integral of sine is equal to sine is minus cos of the function 2x. Then you divide by the derivative of this. Okay, and that's what? That's 2. Then let's begin to plug in now. So I equal to 12x squared cos 2x over 2. And don't forget the minus here. You can put it in the front there. Then minus integral of v. My v is what? Minus cos 2x over 2 times the u dx. U dx is what? 24x. Then the what? Dx. So I'm going to have now my I will be equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 6. I'm going to have minus 6 s squared cos 2x. So minus times minus, that's what? That's a plus. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 12. 2 goes in 24 in what? In 12 times. So that will be integral of 12 cos 2x. So by the time you cut it, this is 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So, and that's the